On the evening of September 26, 2024, in Missouri's Bonne Terre State Prison, a man named Marcellus Williams was put to death by lethal injection. But this wasn't just another execution. It was a story that gripped the nation, leaving many to wonder. Was an innocent man just killed by the state? Marcellus Williams was convicted of the 1998 murder of Felicia Gale, a former reporter. But in the days leading up to his execution, something unexpected happened. Prosecutors, jurors, and even the victim's family asked for his life to be spared. So, why was he executed anyway? Williams had always maintained his innocence, and new DNA evidence seemed to cast doubt on his conviction. The murder weapon, a knife used to kill Felicia Gale, had DNA that didn't belong to Williams. In fact, it had been contaminated by police and prosecutors handling the evidence without gloves. His legal team insisted this mistake could prove his innocence. As this unfolded, there were even more reasons for doubt. The original prosecutor admitted to striking a black juror during the trial, raising concerns about racial bias. Even the St. Louis County prosecuting attorney, Wesley Bell, joined Williams' legal team in asking for the conviction to be reconsidered. But still, every attempt to stop the execution was denied. Despite all of this, Missouri's highest court and Governor Mike Parson refused to grant clemency or delay the execution. The U.S. Supreme Court rejected the final appeals. Time was running out. Tension reached a boiling point. On one side, the Missouri Attorney General argued that the new DNA evidence didn't exonerate Williams. Other evidence, like Williams allegedly selling the victim's laptop and a confession to his girlfriend, remained strong enough, in their eyes, to justify his death. But outside the prison, protesters gathered. Among them were family members of the victim, Felicia Gale, who had one message for the state. They didn't want Williams executed. Instead, they supported life in prison. And still, the clock ticked towards 6 p.m. Then, at 6:01 p.m., lethal injection was administered. By 6:10 p.m., Marcellus Williams was pronounced dead. His final words? All praise be to Allah in every situation. His son and two of his attorneys were present to witness his final moments. As the curtain fell on Williams' life, the question that lingered was this: did Missouri just execute an innocent man? Despite the protests, the appeals, and even the prosecutor joining the defense, Marcellus Williams' fate was sealed by the justice system. Governor Parson stood firm in his decision, stating that Williams had received over 15 hearings and countless opportunities to prove his innocence. But the case left many with a bitter taste, highlighting the risks and controversies surrounding capital punishment. As we reflect on Marcellus Williams' story, we're left to ask, can we ever be sure that justice is truly served when doubt lingers in the air? If you found this story as gripping and thought-provoking as we did, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.